What happens when one of the world's biggest tech companies can't keep a secret? You get exactly what happened with Meta this week. They accidentally uploaded a promo for their upcoming smart glasses. With a display, it vanishes fast, but once the internet sees it, it's permanent. So let's talk about Meta's Ray-Ban display glasses. Think AR light, wristband controls straight out of Tony Stark's lab, and AI that might even remember faces. And the price? That's the real surprise. Stick around for that. For months, was Meta going solo with glasses named Celeste, or were they sticking with Ray-Ban for another round? Well, the promo clears it up. Meta and Ray-Ban are still very much in this together. The video literally said Meta Ray-Ban display, so the partnership continues. And yes, this isn't full-blown augmented reality like Meta's Wild Orion prototype. Think of this as an AR light, more smartwatch for your face than holograms in your living room. But that's not a bad thing. Here's the cool part. The right lens houses Loomis waveguide display with a 20 to 30 degree field of view, enough for overlays like maps, translations, weather, or AI prompts. And yes, it's full color. Picture walking through a new city as signs translate instantly or directions float in front of you. But the real twist? How you'll control it. Instead of tapping temples or shouting, "Hey Meta" in public, these glasses pair with a wristband that reads tiny electrical signals in your hand. A little pinch, swipe, or tap on your own skin becomes an input. It's basically invisible hand controls. Super slick and very sci-fi. Meta AI is still baked in, so voice control works too. But I don't know about you, I'd rather pinch the air than yell at my glasses on the subway. What's unclear is whether this wristband comes in the box or if it's a pricey add-on. Knowing Meta, don't get your hopes up. The Celeste glasses are chunkier and heavier, around 70 grams versus the 50-gram Ray-Bans, thanks to a bigger battery and more compute. Rumors suggest a 3K front camera for video capture. They run a slimmed-down Horizon OS, like mini Android with simple apps and maybe games. The real draw is the upgraded multimodal Meta AI, which can process both speech and visuals. Snap a menu, it translates. Ask, "What's that building?" It answers. AI could even run quietly in the background, reminding you about keys or groceries. But here's the catch. If these glasses can recognize faces or constantly scan your surroundings, what happens to that data? Privacy alarms are already ringing, and regulators won't ignore it. So, how much for a pair of futuristic face computers? $800. That's actually lower than Meta's original $1,000+ target. Here's the catch. Supply is super limited. Analysts predict maybe 150,000 to 200,000 units total for the first 2 years. Translation, if you want one, be ready to refresh that checkout page like your life depends on it. Celeste isn't the only project in the works. Meta's also prepping the Oakley Metasfera, sporty, wraparound, built for runners and cyclists. No display, just lightweight AI features. Then there's apparel and Bellini, refreshed Ray-Bans with better battery, the new AI but no display. At $300 to $500, they're the mainstream pick. So here's the breakdown. Celeste is AR light, futuristic, and pricey. Apparel and Bellini is classic, affordable, and practical. Oakley Metasfera is sport first. No frills Meta's clearly building an ecosystem. Ray-Ban, Oakley, and in-house glasses, all tied to AI and eventually a developer toolkit. This could be the moment smart glasses go from novelty to everyday wear. So would you drop $800 on display glasses or stick with the cheaper classics? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for the next deep dive.